Today we are going to be looking at the difference between lend and borrow. These are two words which children confuse. So now let's see the difference between them. Lend. For example, if you have two erasers and if your friend doesn't have any erasers, you lend him one. For example, if you give someone something for a temporary period of time, for them to use it is known as lend. And borrow. For example, if you are in short of money, if you want like 50 rupees immediately and if you don't have 50 rupees, you borrow it from your friend. So if you get something from someone is known as borrow. And both of it's just for a temporary period of time, a fixed period of time. So okay guys, this is the difference between lend and borrow. Lend. If you give something, it's lend. Borrow. If you get something, it's borrow. Thank you. Stay tuned and watch Daily Talk. Bye. See you later. Follow for more updates.